We're gonna do a cold air intake install. We got all the parts laid out here. We're just getting the front bumper off to take out the stock intake. Stock box is out. Yeah, you're gonna have coolant leaking out, which is okay. Just make sure you buy some extra coolant when you're doing this, because you're gonna have some leak out. So intake's gonna go down here, all the way straight down. So don't forget to move this too.
Man, that's a lot.
No, it's gonna get worse when you take this one off of here.
Well, there's some that comes out from here too.
You have to remove the negative battery ground. It goes right here, and then now you're gonna have to relocate it to here. Right. So in order to put the battery relocation tray, we're gonna have to take out this little wire. If you leave it in right here, it's not gonna sit flush. So we're gonna take out a plug that goes under the frame, and then we're gonna reroute it somewhere. So that way we can get the tray to sit flush. So this is the plug I was talking about. It was going under the frame, and then there's a couple of clips like this. There's 3 of them. So we just cut them off, and we're just gonna reroute them. Yep. Alright, sweet. When you take this off, just be really careful to not snap this off. Goes right into the valve cover, and then this one should go here. And so that wire we took out earlier, we're just gonna run it over the battery and then go under the frame, and then it should plug in. So we're gonna go ahead and connect the battery and then get the rest of this on right here. All right, so we're pretty much just patching everything up. Just make sure, tighten up everything after you get everything adjusted. Put the hoses in an appropriate location. All right, got everything buttoned up on the bottom. Should be good to go. Basically done with this. We got the car in the garage. So we're gonna go ahead and install the full race 3-inch exhaust and the Skunk 2 Alpha header. All right, so we got the exhaust out. We are actually getting the header out right now. We removed everything, and just to give you a little heads up, once that's done, just put the header in, and then don't forget to bolt this back up. Oh, right there. That's what you're looking at. Everything is on. We went ahead and installed a rear mount real quick. We're gonna get this on a base map so we can get this thing driving around again. We got the base map on, and then we're gonna go ahead and drive it around, test it out, see if everything's working properly.
Instantly. I didn't even get a chance.
Yo, you stalled, bro. I didn't catch that. What happened, bro?
Dude, stalled instantly, man. I didn't get a chance.
All right, so we are off. Man, sounds good. It's really quiet though. I mean, you really can't complain, right? We got that rear mount on, so I think that's why you stalled.
Oh, is that, it makes it harder?
I mean, you could feel it more. It's more noticeable when you're about to stall.
Dude, it's just instant. I didn't even get a chance to recover, you know what I mean?
Yeah. It feels pretty smooth.
It's just the suspension.
Yeah, we gotta fix the coilovers. It's really bouncy right now.
Oh! No! Go! Oh, I didn't make it. Oh, well, I'll go to the next one.
Go, go!
That's.
Okay, besides that.
Oh, I feel it.
I felt a lot more top end than that. Being only on a base map, yeah, we got a lot more torque than on a stock tune. Even though K-Series don't make torque NA, but you know what? Every little bit counts. Am I right?
Yep. That extra 10 is all that matters.
All right, so we got a K24 swapped EK, full bolt-ons, RBC, 50-degree VTC cam gear. Look at this guy trolling. Yo, what's up? I see you got the FRS seats in. Let me see those FRS seats. Okay. I'm surprised you brought the race car out. Hey, what you know about the SR20?
K8 turbo.
So it's a K8 turbo now.
Yeah, dude.
K24 turbo?
Yeah.
All right, I see you.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so we're gonna make some predictions. How much power do you think it's gonna make?
225.
225?
215.
199.
199. All right. $1.
I think it's gonna make 205. Arzua, how much power do you think it's gonna make? Predictions.
On my dyno, since it's low rating dyno, I think about 200.
200? Okay. 220? You think it's 220? All right. So we got everybody's locked in except where's Adam? Except him. He's a little bit camera shy, but it's okay. Hey man, I got 141. What do you think about that?
How weak is he gonna get gas?
Yeah, the hang on the side, yeah.
I thought it was just the plug.
No.
Man, I would have came back with the wrong shit.
Okay, I got an issue, guys. VTech wasn't cracking. What do you guys think about that session?
Hey, I didn't know it read lower, so it's cheating. My new number is 207.
What do you think?
Big power man, he's ready to gap all those 200 horsepower 8 gens out there.
Hey Adam, you ready to gap those 200 horsepower 8 gens and RSXs?
Yeah, that's the goal. The SIs.